Dan Perry here with another quick tip for Dan on Tech. In this video, we will look at how you change the way you can view folders in Windows 7. This also applies to Windows 8 and Vista. When you normally open your folder view, you'll probably see something like you see on the screen here, where we have our folders showing. In some cases, it gives you an idea of what's in the folders, and then maybe some files showing below, and different icons, of course, for different file types. Now, there are a number of different options that the folders, you can view the folders in and see, and everybody's got their favorite. As you go from folder to folder, depending on what's in the folder, you may change your view. So if I go into this folder of images, the view in this case is small images. So changing from folder to folder could change that. But up in the upper right hand corner, you've got a little drop down box with more options, and you've got to the left of it just a change your view button. If you change it, each time you click it, it will cycle you through different views that you have. You can also go and use the drop down to change your views, so you can come up and make your icons very large. You can make them just large. Again, medium, and medium is probably what you see the most of. You can have very small icons. There you're just seeing the folders and not types, as well as files. We've got a list view, and the list view puts your files in 3 columns in this case, or into columns. Details, tiles, which is also maybe your default, and then there's a content view that shows the files and folders. Let me scroll down and find some files, and tells if it knows a little bit about the files. So the content view here for this photo, it tells me it's a JPEG and the size in dimensions of it, as well as the size. Below it is an Adobe Photoshop file. Now, everybody has their preferences, and I'll admit my preference for it is the detail view. When I've got folders, I normally see the name of the folder and the date. And when I come down to the files, I'll see the name of the file, the date, and this is the last modified, and the size of the file. So that's the way you switch from one view to another, and if you have a favorite, you can easily flip to that view. Again, as I said, my personal preference, I like the details view, but as you're switching through, you can decide what view you prefer. Thank you for watching this Dan on Tech video, and please subscribe to this playlist so you don't miss any future videos. And please check out and subscribe to our other Dan on Tech channel playlists. Thank you.